physical product is something that has to be manufactured. And what I mean by that is we've got to source it. We've got to actually buy the raw materials for it. We've got to mix those raw materials together and put them together. And then we've got to get the product from wherever it is now to the ultimate consumer who's going to be using it. That's what makes it a physical product. So we often, in the book, we use the idea of cookies a lot, right? So with cookies, we have to go to the store, we have to buy the flour and the sugar and the eggs and all that. We have to come home, we have to mix it together and put it in the oven and then let it cool and then package it up to take it to a bake sale or to take it to our kids' classroom, right? Where the ultimate consumers will be. And if something's gone wrong, let's say you've bought eggs that were out of date and you didn't realize it and so they were expired, then you may not find that out until someone eats a cookie and gets sick. And so we have to think a lot more about the consequences of our decisions because we can't just change that. I can't wave a magic wand and have the cookies not be infected with salmonella, right? I have to be thinking about that as I'm preparing the cookies pretty much from the beginning in order to ensure that we get a good outcome for the customer.